What if I told you that in some cases, a European work permit can be processed in as little as 10 to 20 working days? Not months, just weeks. Sounds unbelievable, but this is actually possible in Sweden through something called the fast track system. But here's the truth. Most people misunderstand how it works, and that's why they never succeed. So in this video, I'll explain what's real, who qualifies, and how you can apply the right way. On this channel, we talk about real and legal ways to work abroad, no agents, no scams, no fake promises. If you're serious about relocation, subscribe now. Let's get started. Sweden. What is the Sweden Fast Track system? Let's keep it simple. The Sweden Fast Track is not a separate visa. It's a priority processing system used by certified employers. That means, if a company in Sweden is officially approved, and they offer you a job, your work permit application may be processed faster, sometimes within 10 to 20 working days. This system is handled by the Swedish Migration Agency. Why this is important? Normally, work permits in many countries take months. This happens because of high application volume, manual processing, backlogs. Sweden improved this by prioritizing applications from trusted employers. But remember, faster processing does not mean easier approval. You still need to qualify and get hired first. Who can apply? Eligibility. To apply for a Sweden work permit, you need a valid job offer. No job equals no work permit. Salary that meets Swedish standards. Must be enough to support yourself. Valid passport. Relevant skills. Degree for skilled jobs or experience for practical roles. Even without a degree, some roles may still be possible if you have skills or experience. Companies that may hire foreign workers. Some well-known companies in Sweden include Ericsson, IKEA, Spotify, Volvo Group, Scania. These companies sometimes hire international workers. Important. Not every company is part of the fast track system, but many large employers may be certified. Step-by-step process. Let's break it down clearly. Step 1. Find a job. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, company career pages. Search terms like Sweden visa sponsorship jobs or jobs in Sweden with relocation. Step 2. Employer applies. Once hired, your employer submits your work permit application online. Step 3. Union review. In Sweden, a workers' union reviews the job offer to ensure fair salary and conditions. Step 4. Fast track processing. If the employer is certified, your application is prioritized. Processing may take around 10 to 20 working days. Step 5. Visa and travel. After approval, submit biometrics. Visit embassy if required. Travel to Sweden. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these. Applying without relevant skills. Waiting for one job only. Ignoring smaller companies. Using a weak CV. Apply consistently. Improve your CV to European standards. Salary and cost of living. Let's be realistic. Sweden offers good salaries, but the cost of living is also high. Entry-level jobs, 1,500 to 2,500 euros per month. Skilled jobs, 3,000 euros plus. So planning is important. Reality check. Let's be clear. The fast track system does not give you a job. It only speeds up processing after you are hired. Competition is still high. Approval depends on meeting all requirements. Final advice. If you're targeting Sweden in 2026, focus on getting the job first. Build relevant skills. Apply to multiple companies. Avoid scams and paid agents. Stay consistent and patient. OUTRO. Now I want to hear from you. Comment Sweden 2026 if you're serious about this path. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, share with someone who needs it. Because real opportunities exist, but only if you approach them the right way. This is OF Africa, and I'll see you in the next video.